Can my PC run Windows 11? 1. Processor, 1 GHz or faster with 2 or more cores on a compatible 64-bit processor or system on a chip, SoC. 2. RAM, 4 GB, minimum. 3. Storage, 64 GB or larger storage device. 4. System firmware, UEFI, secure boot capable. 5. TPM, Trusted Platform Module, TPM, version 2.0. 6. Graphics card, compatible with DirectX 12 or later with WDDM 2.0 driver. 7. Display, high definition, 720p, display that is greater than 9 inches diagonally, 8 bits per color channel. 8. Internet connection and Microsoft accounts. Windows 11 Home requires internet connectivity and a Microsoft account to complete device setup on first use. Windows 11 Pro requires an internet connection and a Microsoft account when set up for personal use. Switching a device out of Windows 11 Home in S mode also requires internet connectivity. For all Windows 11 editions, internet access is required to perform updates and to download and take advantage of some features. A Microsoft account is required for some features.